Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 110 of 111 days verification challenge. We just have one day to go. Whoever is taking this challenge should be really proud of themselves that you have made it almost to the end of this challenge. I'm sure you are now feeling confident for giving interviews in VLSI because we have really covered a lot of skill sets along with so many add on skill sets also. And now we are not leaving any stone unturned because we are also solving the puzzles. Today, again, we will solve five puzzles. The first one is the bridge puzzle. There are four people who need to cross a bridge, but it is night time and it is very dark. There is one flashlight because it is dangerous to cross the bridge without a flashlight. So there is one flashlight available and the bridge can support only two people at a time. The thing is each person will take different amount of time to cross the bridge. There are four people, one of them takes 1 minute to cross the bridge, other person takes 2 minutes, the third person takes 7 minutes, and the fourth person takes 10 minutes. You need to tell what is the shortest possible time for four people to cross the bridge. Again, let me elaborate. There is a bridge which you need to cross. Four people need to cross the bridge. There is only one flashlight. At a time, only two people can cross the bridge, and the time taken by people is different. One person will take 1 minute, other will take 2 minutes, the third person will take 7 minutes, and the fourth person will take 10 minutes. You need to make combinations of two people who will cross the bridge in such a way that the time which is required for all the four people to cross the bridge is minimum. Next is a well puzzle. A man fell in a well. The well is 30 meters deep. In the day, this man climbs 4 meters, but he slips down by 3 meters. He will climb 4 meters, slip down by 4 meter, slip down by 3 meter. Again climb 4 meters, slip down by 3 meter. That's what is happening. With this thing in mind, how many days will the man take to come out of the well? 30 meters deep. When the man climbs 4 meters, he also slips down 3 meters. Doing so, how many total days will he take to come out of the well? What if the time is 3 is to 15 when you look at the clock? 3:15 is the time when you are looking at the clock. Then what is the angle between hour hand and minute hand that you need to calculate? The next puzzle is a soup puzzle. You have a glass of tomato soup. You have one other empty glass of a different size and shape. You have to give this tomato soup to two children. How will you divide the soup into two glasses so that both of them are satisfied that they have got an equal share of soup? You have one tomato soup, you have it in one glass, and you also have another empty glass which is of different size and shape. There are two children who will have the soup, but you need to divide it to them equally so that both of them are satisfied and get an equal share. How will you do that? Next is a jar puzzle. Three jars on a shelf contain apricots, pears, and a mixture of both. However, they have been mislabeled. The jars are mislabeled. You can pick any number of fruits from the jars to label them correctly. Then you must determine the minimum number of fruits necessary to choose from the jar for accurate labeling. Three jars are there. One jar will have apricot, one jar will have pear, and one jar will have mixture of both. The problem is that they have been mislabeled. You are allowed to pick the fruits from the jar to label them correctly, but you need to find out what is the minimum number of fruits which you will have to pick. That's the puzzle. So solve all these puzzles today. Then tomorrow I'll see you for the final day, day 111 challenge. And that will be the end of this 111 days verification challenge. Best luck.